Incremental greetings, happy 2025. Slightly late, but I want to share with you what I will do, what I'm planning to do in 2025 in my channel, Pleasurable Learning, which is a lot of stuff. So first and foremost, I don't know if you can tell that now I'm standing. I'm no longer sitting on the floor. So the videos from now on will be standing. Then most of what I will do is about the course. Something I said last year is that, hey, I will focus on SuperMemo, do what I have left, and move on. Move on not from my usage, but from covering it in YouTube. I'm still on that. Why? Because it's crazy. So I have the Fluency course, which is a subset of the Mastery course that they will include everything you can think of about SuperMemo, and then the Basic. The only thing that I change the Basic is I will switch around. So the Mastery and the Fluency, which are a ton of time, are free, and the Basic will be paid instead. I think it will be about 2 hour-ish video, straight to the point, with a narrative, very curated narrative that goes back and so on. So you can reuse the same context, so it's more efficient in time. So with more or less, instead of watching a movie, you watch this video and you get a lot of insights, and especially as a noob, okay, that is the best image I can get, the best preview I can get for incremental reading, and just what's more high priority. If it's just 2 hours, that doesn't mean it will be easier for me. The opposite. This will take a lot more time than usual to make it shorter. All of the storyboard, I will do this, we'll reuse this context. It will be a lot easier to do just standalone videos. Then, why is it this massive? Let's go to my channel. By the way, I hope to get the milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Even though you can see the watch time is about 200 hours a month, so more than 2,000 a year. I need 4,000 minimum to monetize. Since I won't be able to monetize this video, as long as I cover SuperMemo, feel free to use my affiliate links instead to support this channel. Then, that's the SuperMemo course. I'm tracking all the videos per section because I do this non-linearly kind of thing. And on top of that, one course is a subset of the other, but I want the fluency to make sense. So if you skip some videos in between that I consider they are for mastery, it still makes sense that I have introduced the jargon or the feature and all of that. And if I don't, it's because it never appeared later. It's taken out of the entire course. For instance, one example, if I go to advanced templates, because the templates are already covered in a prior here in this section, you still have something that is advanced, that is still useful for fluency, like save template to a file, or save as the default, or if you want background images, stuff like that. But it's taken out the flags, save with objects, the hit area, and specific language items, stuff like that, as one example. But just to let you know, the dimension of this is that I have planned 2,114 videos to date. Time may increase while I'm doing the course, and this is only while I'm wearing this shirt. In case you didn't notice, this shirt acts like uniform. So when you preview any video in the site, so you have tons of videos, oh my god, but look at this. Do you see I'm wearing the same shirt? Means it's part of the course. Part of the course. Do you see here? It's not part of the course, this reaction video. And I did this on purpose. So with just this preview, you know, hey, this is part of the course, this is not. And now I'm going extra level, and in 2025, what I'm going to do are some projects that is not, so you have the course to the level, to the depth you want. Basic, fluency, mastery, and then on the side, the Spanish course, that it will be slightly more than the basic. And then how I use SuperMemo, my genuine usage, the true incremental experience, that will be massive to record all of that, based on different projects. So what I think of, for instance, one is Minecraft, how to play Minecraft, all of the recipe. Minecraft is a good example because how you win, or how you master the game, let's say, is by knowledge, not by your dexterity with the mouse, all of that. Then some books that I still not know because I'm contacting the authors, so I have permission to use them because they have copyright, and I will be using all of the book as a whole. Not in one single place, in a single video, but everything will be shared through my videos. So I have the Math Academic Way, Beginning of Infinity, Black Swan, Then, incrementally do a collection, medical biology, it's online now. I mean, it's public, you can buy it. If you do so, use my link, please, and I will get a small commission. And the idea is to go through all of that collection entirely. Another one is for health loss, for health or weight loss, like a real life problem, how you can use incremental living to solve that, to achieve that. Solve Rubik Cube, something I never did in my life. I never succeeded. I don't know if that is silly. It's there. And then podcast. Oh, it's not here? Okay. So podcast that is only audio. It's audio, but on a YouTube video. So you use the incremental video features. But you don't need to pay attention. You don't have to look at the video. Or a podcast that you listen externally, but you use SuperMemo to schedule that. So the idea is to have all of the possible flows. Because with, I didn't mention that, a book obviously is reading, incremental reading, but it's something tough. It's not an easy book. Using my own collection. But then the idea of the Minecraft is that it's its own collection, and I do incremental video, especially later on for the more advanced things. I do incremental reading from the wiki. I do my own problem solving that or when I read this, let me put it to practice. Since you have a lot of cheating, I can just do creative mode and that is super easy to do. It's so convenient. So the Minecraft will be almost everything. Incremental video, audio, writing, because I want to write the analogy of Minecraft for incremental reading or learning. So overall, I will encompassing everything. So you will have the course of everything that exists, all of the features, standalone, with some examples, some use cases, and then the other way around. You will have the genuine usage, raw usage, and then perhaps we'll be doing some edits, the golden nuggets here and there, like an overview. And this is massive. Just to let you know, where I have this, yeah. So what I have until now, about 600 videos, because I'm reusing some videos that I did before the course, because basically I will shoot the same thing. I have almost 120 hours. That will be for the mastery course. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. So this is what I'm going to do this year. It's not as simple as that, because sometimes, as you can see here, there's something that I'm communicating with Piotr Wozniak, that there are some bugs that are impeding me, or features that behave like a bug, that are impeding me to record a video. Because sometimes I record a video and then, hey, no, this is a bug, and oh shoot, I have to wait and then reshoot it and stuff like that. So more or less, this is my scope on 2025. I don't know if I will be able to finish that in this year, but I will do as much as I can, but more importantly, as much as it is pleasurable to do. To introduce SuperMemo and incremental reading to many people. Spread the word. And have fun on the process. What happened? Hey, I'm neglecting my own usage of SuperMemo now, because SuperMemo course is taking too much. Well, This is solved with the projects right here. Now I can use my own, I can do my own usage, and this is part of my my course. Well, they're still called projects, no, not courses. All of that will be free, absolutely for free. The only thing I'm going to paywall is the basic course and the advanced material that is good to have, but is not required. For instance, for the fluency or mastery, you will have my own collection. So you can go to use playlists and so on, but it's more convenient here. Section, next section, elements, this one, bam. Now this one, bam. And here you will have flashcards for your convenience, or directly the video. Like here. So you can follow the course. It's in SuperMemo, but you follow it within SuperMemo. And then as a child or children, you will have what they consider it's good to have as an extra note or just a straight flashcards. This is just convenience at the end of the day. Or since it's a collection, I will be adding templates for most of the use cases presented on the course, auto hotkey, scripts, you name it. But it's not a secret. So at the same time, for free, I'm telling you how to do it. It's just, if it was a recipe of cooking, I provide you the video how to cook that plate, that dish, and at the same time, I give it to you, so you can eat it right away. So I don't know if it's a good analogy. So this will be paid. Because, I mean, I have to pay rent at the end of the month, right? So if I spend about 50 or 70 hours a month on the course, this takes a toll. So basically, I just want the convenience to be paid, but everything can be covered for free, and I also accept the donations. So that's the plan for this year, 2025. I'm active on Twitter, and I will also start writing. More on that later on, because I don't want to get this video longer. And as always, see you incrementally.